Want to automatically comment, increase interaction on hundreds of Instagram posts? In this video, I'll show you how to do it step by step. First, open MKT Instagram and log in your accounts. You can run multiple accounts at the same time. Next, go to the auto comment on the comment function feature. Choose comment by keyword or hashtags, post ID. The system will direct on the posts automatically. Now add your comment content. Use multiple comments to avoid duplication, spam. Set delay number of comments and accounts. This helps your actions look natural. Select accounts and click Start. The tool will scan and comment automatically. You'll get more visibility and engagement. Scan the Telegram QR code or contact Kevin below.